Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to turbocharge a Honda CRV. We'll explore an easy method that focuses on bolt-on solutions, making it more accessible for many enthusiasts. This approach aims to enhance your vehicle's performance without requiring extensive engine overhauls. You can expect a noticeable increase in horsepower and torque, transforming your driving experience. We'll cover the essential steps and components to help you achieve this exciting upgrade. To begin your CRV's turbo transformation, you'll need a few key components. A comprehensive bolt-on turbo kit, specifically designed for your engine, is paramount. This kit typically includes the turbocharger, manifold, and downpipe. Additionally, upgrading your fuel system with a higher capacity fuel pump and larger injectors is essential to meet the increased fuel demands. An intercooler will keep air temperatures down, and a robust engine management system is critical for precise tuning. The installation process, while requiring attention to detail, can be simplified with a bolt-on kit. First, mount the turbocharger and exhaust manifold securely. Next, install the intercooler and connect all the charge piping. You'll then replace your stock fuel pump and injectors with the upgraded units. Finally, integrate the new engine management system and its sensors, ensuring all connections are tight and secure. This methodical approach helps ensure a smooth setup. After installation, professional tuning is the most critical step. A skilled tuner will calibrate your engine management system to safely optimize power, ensuring proper air-fuel ratios and ignition timing. You should aim for initial boost pressures of around 5 to 7 pounds per square inch. Always monitor your engine's performance, checking for any unusual noises or warning lights. Regular inspections of all connections and hoses will help maintain reliability and prevent issues, ensuring your turbocharged CRV runs perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.